देखिए हर खबर यहीं पर, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए TV9 भारतवर्ष।
Hi, sir. This is Swati. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hi, good
Yeah,
afternoon.
Prashant.
yeah.
Yeah, so I wanted to ask you that India has been facing a high level of unemployment even before the coronavirus pandemic began. So, since this is a concern which has obviously deepened over the period of over this time, and because India is a country that is in terms of its average age is it's a young country. Do you think that India has made a mistake in terms of prioritizing health over the economic crisis that has affected a much larger number of people?
You mean in the long term, or you mean right now during the lockdown?
Yes, particularly right now, but also
Right now.
in the context
I don't think that's a binary question. I don't think it is either health or economics. I think we are smart enough, intelligent enough to work a path through that will create a successful compromise between health and economics. So I don't see this as a on-off switch where you either solve the health problem or you solve the economics problem. I think there is a lot of nuance to that. However, India has been facing a very serious unemployment problem, and this is not new. This has been going on. You've heard of Make in India, you've heard of some of those initiatives, and they have not given the result that one expected for whatever reason. However, now there is a new element to this unemployment, which is that we were already struggling, and now suddenly we've hit this corona problem, which has multiplied this unemployment problem. As you can see, businesses were shut down. And I'm sorry to say this as a national leader, but many small and medium businesses are going to go bankrupt. The people who work for those businesses are going to become unemployed. And that is why we are raising again and again and again that a injection of capital and injection of money to small and medium businesses is required. It will be fatal if we do not do it. An injection of money to the poorest 50% of India is required. It will be fatal if we do not do it. So, yes, there is an unemployment problem, but that unemployment problem has now been compounded massively by the current crisis. And no, I do not think it is a choice between healthcare and economics. I think we are intelligent enough to work out a solution that looks after both.
अड़ी सोमवार से शुक्रवार शाम 6 बजे सिर्फ TV9 भारतवर्ष पर।